my name is Jonathan, and today we're going to learn about slotted stairway. Goal: decompose a solution across multiple functions. We're going to skip the middle only if you want to read, and go to 1, 2, and 3. Run the code to see what happens when solve row is called. 2. Tweak the code inside solve row so that it solves a bigger chunk of the puzzle. 3. Call solve wrong row with the other commands to solve the puzzle. So it will give you a command already, which is move forward, collect gem, turn left, move forward. And it already has in a solve row, and solve row is already on the part right where you put the command. So you obviously just have to put one more collect gem, turn around, because it's gonna move forward 2 times. It's gonna be on the gem, collect the gem, turn around backwards by doing 2 lefts, and then move forward, which is gonna be facing the opposite way of the arrow. So we will have to do it another time. After this time, it's gonna face the same way as the arrow. So we would turn right, move forward, turn right, because the first turn right, we're gonna turn right, and then after this, we're gonna move forward. And then after this, we're gonna be facing a levitated area. So we have to do solve row again. And then instead of doing it turning right, we have to do it turning left. So turn left, move forward, turn left. Then we're gonna be facing another levitated area where we obviously have to do the same thing. Now, I'm gonna run my code faster and see if the code does it right. Now, Buddy's gonna be collecting the gems and walking up and down the staircase. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and also leave a like. Bye!